Good morning. Time for coffee. California time now. I brought some here in Orange County from Japan. I so love this. It's actually really strong. Keeps me awake all day. Just one cup of this. It doesn't make me feel jittery like a Starbucks coffee. So I prefer this. You should try it. I am going to South Coast Plaza, and today I'm wearing my Saint Laurent bag, my little camera bag. It's so adorable. I'm so excited. I've been always wearing this a lot. And then I have my All Saint oversized sweater. I so love this. Zips on the side right here. I don't know if you can see that. Or you could also zip it like on the side, on the lower side of here. But I chose to do it this way. The only thing is that it really wrinkles so fast. I just put them on and I sat down to put my shoes on, and it actually created wrinkles here. So it's very sensitive. I really like this style, and I paired it with my Jeffrey Campbell vintage ankle boots that I purchased a while back from NORDSTROM. It's so comfy. I really love taking this out when I know I'm gonna do a lot of walking, and today is shopping day, so definitely. I'm also wearing my new Zara pants. It has some diamond details on the side. I so love it. I'm very excited and I can't wait to take you with me. Let's go shopping. I so miss my YouTube office here. I just got back from Japan, so I'm excited. I'm gonna be filming a lot of videos again for you guys. Anyways, I'm so excited. So let's go to the mall. Come with me. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I have to go to Louis Vuitton first because I have a surprise welcome back, surprise bags that I purchased, and another one came in today. Mark contacted me really early. Oh my god, I'm glad I was on my phone because I got the hottest bag and I'm so excited. My wish list is all complete for this year from Louis Vuitton. I'm very excited, so I want to go there first. I can't wait to show you. I'm gonna share my unboxing videos, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay, make sure you check my channel. I'll be sharing it. I'm excited. Here we go, here we go. Let's get in. I'm going to Louis Vuitton right now. So come with me. Go shopping. Exciting. Oh my god, so exciting. Mark, you're so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Agatha, this is so adorable. Oh, I love you, Mark. Oh my god. Almost like I'm gonna cry right now. longest bag in my wish list. I can't believe it. I completed the whole 2019 wish list. Oh my God, what's next for us? I'm not sure. So let's check the other one. Oh my God.
Very hard to get.
Hard to get. Yeah. Oh, so lucky. Good thing I was on my phone.
It was Rihanna.
Which one? This one? Oh, this one. Yeah.
There's
They gave it to a lot of celebrities.
It was like the first person I saw.
Oh, it's got the chain. Wow. I can't wait. Oh my God, this is so nice. So it's a little bigger than the mini pochette. Do you have the mini pochette in that one right now? No, huh? Throw my other bag. I'm gonna rock this thing. Oh my God. Oh, what a lucky girl. I can't believe it. I got it now. I'm so happy. Oh my God. Christmas trees up. My favorite time of the year. I so love this. Oh my God, I love it. Amazing. I'm also going to check other stores here and I'm going to show you what I can. Tory Burch, what they have going on for the holidays. So yeah, let's go. Are you excited? I am. It's gonna be a lot of shopping today. Tory Burch, of course. I wanna check what they have. This is like a YSL bag. Oh my God, this is so adorable. So cute.
Oh, it's not this one.
Campbell ankle boots with a snake embossed. Bought this from NORDSTROM a couple years ago and it's holding up pretty good. I love wearing this when I do a lot of walking. Oh my God, this is also adorable. I like those that are structured and it's my favorite color. people right now, but it's fun. I'm here inside Nordstrom with my daughter Agatha, so it's better to shop on a Sunday. So adorable. Of course, I can't miss Nordstrom, so I'm buying a lot of gifts here and a few items for me, but mostly gifts for family for Christmas, early Christmas shopping. Let's check what's going on here. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Yeah, this is comfy actually because of the mesh finish. It's so adorable. So stunning. How do you like this, Agatha? You don't like it?
Sorry, it was. But are your toes okay?
It looks like it is. Let me walk on it.
Small ones? This is
I know,
cute.
I know.
You should get a
Oh
black.
my god, this is adorable.
Wait, this is adorable.
I was almost gonna buy this in Japan. Huh?
Why didn't you buy me a small one?
I didn't know you like it.
You know I like small black bags.
Yeah, this is so adorable. I was gonna get this in Japan. And they have the Tokyo,
It's so cute, isn't it? We just
yeah,
received that.
the silk one.
Yeah, I
How much is it?
want to wear it.
Oh yeah, yeah, that one. How much is that?
You can wear it.
$2,000. I don't know with. Let's look for Ernie. Hi. Hi. Hi, Ernie. I'm here when you're finished. Oh my god, that's adorable right there. Oh my god, this is on sale for 30% off. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Imagine like this,
Uh-huh.
in the back, beautiful. Like, you
With
know,
the ruffle
the
clothes.
ruffle, and then you can put it on the
Oh
red
my
side
God.
too. On the red, especially in this dress, it pop out so much better.
Really?
Yeah,
She
it's
was
like-
wearing it like
She was
that?
wearing like that. Like, it's such a beautiful.
Yeah, I think it's better in the back.
Yeah, think about it. It's more like a bow, like a butterfly, you know. Tina. It's just, you know, I didn't even think of like, you know, the way. It
Yeah,
went.
wearing
But she
it.
tried it on for me. I was like, it's such a
Really?
beautiful dress.
She's
to
a
try on.
fashionista. She knows how to wear the clothes.
This is 1750.
17,500. Wow, so beautiful. Let me take a picture. Oh my God. Oh my God.